1, go! Like I said, keep an eye on that 227. That is a 12-year-old, ladies and gentlemen.
By the way, that 226 by your team, that was a double derby.
He has won adult races, he has won youth races, he has won everything there is to win. McCoy Cook in the 227, leading them around, ladies and gentlemen, followed by the 00 of Xander Keeler. We've got McCoy Cook way out front. Keeler trying to make up some ground. This little 12-year-old, ladies and gentlemen, is carrying it. He toting the mail. 227, McCoy Cook. Halfway home, 4 laps in. McCoy Cook still the class of the field in that 227. Xander Keeler trying to make up some ground, but McCoy knows exactly what he's doing at only 12 years old. Cook coming up on some lap traffic. That 23, the 05 could play a big part in who wins this race.
Everyone's moving on
McCoy
now.
Cook coming up on the backside of that 05. 2 to go. 2 to go right now, ladies and gentlemen. 2 to go. 1 to go. White flag was waved. McCoy Cook in that 227. That 00 of Xander Keeler was able to get right up on that back bumper of McCoy Cook. And your winner, McCoy Cook, followed by the 00 of Xander Keeler. Keep racing, keep racing. You guys transfer into the feature. The number 23 of Kaylee